Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a simple and small roller bearing, tapered roller bearing. See, this is the bearing. I hope you like it. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. Here let's make the first part of roller bearing, outer ring. Choose front plane, sketch. Now here let's select center line. Draw vertical and horizontal construction line. Select line. Draw one line in taper position. Okay. Now let's define 30.5 mm and the length 14 mm. .75 mm and define this length 2.75 mm. Okay, select here fillet 0.7 mm, select both the corners. Let's do 0.8 mm. Okay, and now make 0.5 mm and select these two ends. Okay, now go to feature and select revolve boss base. Select this vertical line as a axis. Okay, now this is the our first part, or you can say outer ring. Go to appearance, chrome plate. We prefer to add chrome plating. Now let's save this part 1. Go to desktop, create new folder, name roller bearing. Click on that and select part 1, outer ring. Now let's see the next part. Now here let's make the next part, inner ring. Choose front plane, sketch, and the same as previous step, select center line, draw vertical and horizontal center line. Choose here line. Now start to draw our geometry. Draw a taper line and make a perpendicular line to this line. Exit. Let's define 15 mm the gap, and length we will prefer 16 mm. Okay. Let's say 4 mm. .6 mm and maintain the gap 2 mm. .9 mm. 2.51 mm. Okay. Now here we forget to add something. Delete this line and extend, choose line, connect with this line, exit. Now select these two lines, make relation collinear. Okay, now try 0.9 mm. Let's try this angle. Keep 77.32 mm, 32 degree. See, our geometry is fully defined. Choose fillet. First keep radius 2 mm, select one corner. Okay. Now keep 1 mm. Select this all three corners. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to revolve. Select features and choose here revolve boss base and select this line as axis, center line. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal, and here we will draw some, choose here circle, draw one circle, select for construction, and let's see the diameter 35.28. Okay. Select here text. We want to add some text here. Select this line. First select made in USA. Then make the gap MT 1 2 5 6 7 8 9. This is the number of bearing. Now its font is too big, so let's make it small. Let's say 3 mm. Okay. 3 mm it's also quite bigger. Keep 2.75 mm. Okay. Select extruded cut, and we want to cut and make the depth 0.2 mm. Okay. See, now it's time to define the material. Chrome finish, it's looking a very nice. Now save this part number 2, roller bearing. Part number 2 is inner bearing. Sorry, inner ring. Let's make the next part. Now here we will make the next part, cage, bearing cage. Choose front plane, sketch. Select here center line, vertical and horizontal center line. Okay. Choose a line, exit. Now let's define. Select the outer corner, upper corner, let's say 27.5 mm. Delete this line and select this end point bottom, 24.5 mm. 3.5 mm. Okay. Select dimension. Select the vertical length 16.23 mm. Delete this line. Now define the angle 102.78 mm. Okay. Choose fillet. Keep 1 mm corner radius. Okay. Now select here offset 1.3 mm and select the line. Select here inside. Okay. Choose a line. Close. Okay. Try again. Select 1 mm. Okay. Now the geometry is fully defined. So choose here revolve boss base. See, it's rotating. Okay. Now select front plane, sketch, normal. Select this outer line here. Click here convert entities. Now this line converted. Now select this line for construction geometry. Now exit. Now again choose front plane and select here plane. Now select the axis. This line we created, and we want to create one plane here. Okay. Now see, now select this plane, sketch, normal, and here we want to make some cutouts. So let's draw a center line up to this point. Select here corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Exit. Select this rectangle and midline and make relation symmetric. Now it's time to define 2.35 mm, 12.35 mm, and select the width 7 mm. Okay. Now this much we want to make a cutout. Okay. So let's select Extruded Cut. Keep here through all, not through all, better keep blind, so it will not cut in opposite direction. Okay. Now see, hide the plane. And hide this sketch also. Now we want multiple number of patterns, so select here circular pattern. Here select the cutout and select this circular face. We want 18 number of cutouts or hole. Okay. Now see. Now go to metal, choose here brass, polished brass. Now this is the cage for roller bearing. Let's save this part number 3. Let's say cage. Now let's make the last part roller bearing rollers. Now here we will do the last part of roller bearing rollers. Choose here front plane, sketch, and draw a circle with 7 mm diameter. Okay. Now extrude this circle keep here condition mid plane, and let's make 12 mm long. Okay, choose here fillet, select both the ends 0.5 mm, select this face, sketch normal, draw here one circle, keep 4.5 mm. Okay, and cut inside up to, keep the depth 0.5 mm. Okay, again select this face, sketch, and here draw one more circle and keep this 1 mm. Okay, and extrude it 0.5 mm. Okay, again select this face, sketch, and draw here 0.5 circle. Okay, and extrude cut, keep the depth 0.5 mm. Okay, let's say mirror 0.3 mm. Let's keep 0.15. Okay, 0.1 mm, select inside edge, outer ring. Okay, now we want to mirror these cutouts to opposite direction. Let's keep front plane, mirror, and select those all cutouts, then extruded face, then again one more cutout, and select two fillets. Okay, okay, that's mirror. I think one thing, let's define the material, chrome plate. See, let's save the part number 4, roller. Now here we will start the assembly of roller bearing. Here we forget to add some lines. Choose front plane, right plane, sketch, and select center line. Draw one center line in mid from one end to another end. Exit, simply exit, and it should be visible. It will help during assembly. Save it. Now let's start assembly. Now here let's start the assembly of SolidWorks roller bearing. Assembly. This is the assembly window. So let's browse the parts, find out our folder, roller bearing. First select outer ring and then press Ctrl key, inner ring. Now first came outer ring, then inner ring. Choose Mate, select outer ring and inner. Make relation concentric. Okay. Now select this face and this face and make a gap 3.9 mm. Okay. Now see, it is rotating. Now let's browse the next part, cage. Okay. Now choose Mate, select this face and inner ring. Make relation concentric. Okay. Browse this part inside. Now select this face and this face and keep distance 2.15 mm. Okay. Now hide the upper part or main ring. Now let's bring the last part roller. Now just rotate the roller. Okay. Now let's choose matte. Go to advanced matte, choose width matte. Select this face and this face. See, it's become in the center of this. Okay. This will fixed here. Now select this side wall and select this face. Make relation tangent. Okay. Now this is tangent with this face. Now here we want to create one relation. So better select front plane, normal. Select here temporary axis open. Try to find some other right plane. Okay. Transparent. Choose matte. Select here distance. Select this. We created at the last moment one construction line in roller. So select the end line and this center line and make the gap, let's say 22 mm. Select OK. Now again choose the top line and this line. I think no need to make another relation. Okay. Now change transparency. Hide temporary line. Now see. Now just hide this temporary axis. Now it's time to make multiple number of rollers. So keep here circular component, select the roller and select inside face. We want 18 number of rollers. See. Okay. Now you can see this is the 18 number of rollers. Now show the outer ring. Now see, this is our main roller ball bearing. Now this is your final assembly of roller bearing. See, I just changed the color of, I did not find this chrome finish brush finish. I found this better than chrome finish. So now let's do some animation. So right click here, motion manager, go to here, motion study. Here I prefer motion analysis. Now choose motor. I'll select the inner ring, 40 RPM. Okay, just play. Now see inner ring rotating. Exploded view. Now I want to explode all the parts. So first part, outer ring, now select this all ball bearing rollers. Now select arrow, and check those two parts. Find out the arrow and drag here. Select OK. Now right click on the assembly, collapse. Now go to animation wizard, choose exploded, keep duration 4 seconds, start second keep 5 mm because 5 seconds, because up to 5 seconds it will rotate. Finish. Again go to animation wizard, collapse, next, and here also 4 seconds, but the start time keep 10 seconds. Finish. Now select calculate. See, it's calculating. First it will rotate in inner ring, then it's coming out, now let's play. So this is the beautiful and small animation of roller bearing. I wish you like it. Now after making this animation, you can save this animation in your desktop. So right click on the save animation, save in your desktop. I prefer custom ratio 16:9, frame let's say 25, save, uncheck keyframe, OK. Now here it will again recalculate all the position, and after recalculating it will save in your system. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our videos, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.